100 naira. Sorry, excuse me. Ah, this man don't they call me, oh. Hello, sir. You they call me for hookup?
She's on.
I they come. I get chance, so I know they do anything, sir. Eh, no wahala, they come, sir. Which hotel you there, sir? You get another thing where they do. I no get another work now, sir. I they come. Okay, sir, they come. Wait for me now. They come now. Sorry, excuse. Someone is calling. Eh?
You do hookup.
I they do hookup. What's happen?
I beg, I want to do hookup.
You won't do hookup.
I want to do hookup.
Okay, you won't book me.
Yes.
Is it today or when?
A short time. How long?
Nah, 100,000.
What am I? No.
Nah, 100,000 last.
No.
No wahala now. I didn't ready.
She's on.
What's going on here?
You not ready? You tell me now. Oh yeah, pack. Now more they go.
She's on. She's on.
Wetin dey worry this one? Who be this one? Come up for road. You know me before.
You see wahala. How they go now? They wait for you now. They really look nyash.
God have mercy upon us.
Leave the other ones now. I beg, customer they wait for me, I beg. I don't they go. I say customer they wait for me.
She's on.
Oga, it's like you like Nyasho.
I like that.
So you really want to lock this shop? Wait. No lock am first. Na prank I dey do you.
Which one prank now?
Na prank I do. No vex. I know they do hookup.
No.
See camera for that side.
Oh no.
So you really want to follow me go do short time?
And I want to do like this. Now.
But it's like, boy, you don't marry now.
I don't make sense now.
Boy, you don't marry.
I don't make anything.
You don't make
I don't
anything.
make anything at all.
I see.
Oh no.